Hi everyone, this is 8th grade Elevate, lesson 54 on finding unit rates and graphing proportional relationships. In this particular lesson, students are not paying too much attention to unit rates and slope, even though they learned about this yesterday. Students are really just having to graph points based on given tables and identifying whether they are a proportional relationship, whether the graph is proportional, So you will model question A, plotting each point on the coordinate grid, and then asking students whether this graph shows a proportional relationship. It does. There are two criteria that determine that a graph is proportional. The first criteria is that the line must pass through the origin. This graph does. The line meets at 0, 0. Okay? The second criteria is that the line must be a straight line. So this is a straight line that passes through the origin, so it is a proportional relationship. Now, this question here requires you to show students how to find the unit rate in a real world situation. And so, same thing as the skill before, students will have to identify the points that are being plotted on this graph. Then they are going to use the points to find the rate of change, just like yesterday. So rate of change, unit rate, same thing. So students are going to pick 2 points, any 2 points that they want that are on this line, and they are going to then subtract. In this case, we chose 4, 8 and 1, 2. You are going to subtract your y's. So your y's are 8 and 2. You are going to subtract your y's. Then you are going to subtract your x's. So 4 and 1. And divide that. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. The unit rate is 3. Okay? Then you will release students to work with the partner for about 10 minutes. They are going to find the unit rate for each of these graphs, find 2 points, and then find the unit rate. And then the second part of the practice is going to be around them plotting points and identifying whether it's proportional. Actually, it tells them that each graph is proportional already, so they are just going to have to model the proportional relationship. So you might want to start students here before launching them into finding the unit rates, even though they worked on this skill yesterday as well. And then from there, students will do their exit ticket, having to graph the points.